Hey everyone, Alicia here, and today we're going to learn how to make a 3D hand. So these are the supplies you'll need. You're going to need a marker, markers to color with, pencil, paper, and a ruler. So the first step is to just trace your hand out very lightly with the pencil on the paper. Now we're going to take our ruler and however spacing that you want, we're going to take our line and we're going to draw it up to the fingers and we're going to stop where our outline is and then continue on with our line. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to stop where the finger is, continue drawing my line, stop, continue drawing my line all the way across. And so it should look like that. And so we're going to keep going all the way down. And so it's okay if you mess up and accidentally cross where your outline is. You can just erase it if you're using your pencil and you are drawing lightly enough. And also I am just laying down some lines to do first, and later I'm going to go back in and add more lines in between these lines because that's what's going to create the 3D effect. The more lines you have, the more your hand is going to pop off of that paper. But I'm just doing these lines just to begin with so I can get the general shape going and show you guys how to do it. So you're going to do it all the way down your hand with your ruler in whatever spacing that you want. And if you don't have a ruler, you can just do these lines straight across, but I like to use the ruler. So now I'm going to take my marker and we're going to draw up to the hand. And when we get to the blank space that is our hand, we're going to do an arc. And then we're going to continue drawing straight across that paper. So every time you get to the hand, you're going to draw that little arc or just a curve where your hand is. So you're going to keep going up to the hand, draw the curve, and then go back down and continue straight across the paper. And so we're going to keep doing that until we're all the way up the hand. Again, I'm going to add more lines in between these just to make the 3D effect more apparent. So the more lines you do, the more your hand is going to pop off of that paper. So just continue drawing your lines and doing your curves, and you're going to start to see the 3D effect take place. And it starts to get really cool when you get to the fingers and you start doing all those curved lines over your fingers, and then you really start to see your hand just pop right off of that paper. And so this is just something fun to do if you're ever stressed. This takes a good amount of time, and so you can take your mind off of anything that's worrying you by just doing this. It's very simple and it's very repetitive, so that's going to help take your mind off of anything that you're worried about. So this is the finished project that I have. So I added more lines, I added random assortments of colors, but as you can see, you can definitely see my hand there popping out of the paper. It's a really cool 3D effect, and it's also just a really great way to take your mind off of stuff, just to decompress and get into a state of calm mindfulness that can help you with any stress or anything that's worrying you too much. So this is just a great activity that you can do over and over and over again with any type of color, any type of pattern that you want. And it's just a great way to help you relieve some stress if you're feeling that way, or it's just a really cool, fun craft that you can do anytime you want. So as always, I want to see your guys' projects. Please post our hashtag with your parents' permission. Our hashtag is #BGC NEO Cyber Club, and I hope to see you guys next week. So have a great day and have a great rest of the week. Bye now.